This next one is one of my favorites. It is the triple military time step. So instead of just adding a shuffle step where the step or flap was in the single and double, you are now going to change all of these steps to shuffle steps. So you'll go shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. It's a lot of fun. You are going to basically throw in a shuffle step after every hop. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. And I really like this one, but it's hard and you've got to keep track. Only that first shuffle goes to the front, the rest are going to be out to the side. And you've got to keep track of that 3-3-1-1-3 pattern. So you have, super slow, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, 3, 2, 1, shuffle, hop, shuffle, 3, 2, 1, shuffle, hop, shuffle, 1, shuffle, hop, shuffle, 1, shuffle, hop, shuffle, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is when you want to practice and get faster. It's a lot of fun. If you're someone who's good at spring shuffles, you'll be good at this too. But again, you have to keep track of which shuffles go forward and which go to the side. Let's walk through the triple one more time. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step,